I ever feel like no matter what you eat or how hard you train, the scale won't budge. Your hormones could be the missing piece. Let me show you how to hack cortisol, leptin, and ghrelin for non-stop fat burning. Hey everyone, I'm Julio from Burn and Learn, your science-backed guide to real fat loss strategies. Today we're diving into 3 master regulators of your appetite and metabolism: cortisol, leptin. 1. Cortisol, the stress hormone. When chronically elevated, cortisol ramps up fat storage, especially around the belly. Hack short cold exposure sessions and 5-minute breathing breaks lower cortisol spikes on the spot. 2. Leptin, you're on full signal. Leptin tells your brain you've eaten enough, but resistance can leave you feeling hungry all day. Hack, prioritize quality sleep and include dietary fiber to boost leptin sensitivity. 3. Ghrelin, the I'm hungry hormone. Ghrelin levels rise before meals to stimulate appetite. If you're constantly grazing, you'll never flip into fat burn mode. Huck, implement time-restricted eating and take 20 to 30 grams of whey protein 30 minutes before your usual snack time to blunt ghrelin surges. Bonus protocol, morning fasted walk plus 5-minute cold shower to lower cortisol and trigger brown fat. Midday high-fiber lunch plus 20 grams whey pre-snack to keep leptin and ghrelin balanced. Evening magnesium or GABA supplement plus darkroom sleep routine to normalize cortisol and boost leptin signaling overnight. Balancing cortisol, and ghrelin is like tuning a 3-knob fat loss amplifier. Get them right, and your body becomes an effortless calorie-burning machine. If you're ready to hack your hormones, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop a comment. Which hormone hack will you try first? Next week on Burn and Learn, we'll unveil gut microbiome secrets, how your gut bugs can turbocharge or tank your fat loss progress. Stay tuned.